Welcome to the biotech studio. Imagine walking through the Arctic tundra and seeing a woolly mammoth alive. Towering, shaggy, and real. It sounds like something out of Jurassic Park, but this isn't science fiction anymore. This is the extinction, the scientific quest to bring back extinct species using modern biotechnology. And yes, that includes the woolly mammoth. But why would anyone try to revive a creature that vanished 4,000 years ago? For one, woolly mammoths weren't just giant elephants. They played a crucial role in their ecosystem, flattening snow, fertilizing soil, and maintaining the grasslands of Ice Age Siberia. Without them, entire landscapes changed. Some scientists believe bringing mammoths back could help combat climate change by restoring these mammoth steppe ecosystems. Enter the biotech startups. One company, Colossal Biosciences, is leading the charge. Founded by entrepreneur Ben Lamb and geneticist George Church from Harvard, Colossal has raised tens of millions of dollars to extinct the mammoth. But they're not cloning one directly. Instead, they're using CRISPR gene editing to insert mammoth genes into the DNA of its closest living relative, the Asian elephant. The result would be a hybrid elephant with mammoth traits, thick fur, subcutaneous fat, and the ability to survive freezing temperatures. It wouldn't be a perfect mammoth, but it would be genetically and functionally similar. This isn't resurrection, it's re-engineering. So how does this work? First, scientists sequence ancient mammoth DNA from preserved remains found in Siberian permafrost. Then, they identify key genes responsible for mammoth adaptations. Using CRISPR, those genes are edited into elephant stem cells. If successful, these modified cells could be used to grow embryos and, eventually, produce a living, breathing animal. But their extinction raises serious questions. Is it ethical to bring back species in a world that's already struggling with habitat loss and climate change? Can we ensure these hybrid animals live healthy lives? And should we really be focusing on reviving extinct animals when so many living species are endangered? Supporters argue that this technology could also be used to save species on the brink of extinction. In fact, Colossal is also working to revive the thylacine, or Tasmanian tiger, and potentially help endangered elephants by strengthening their gene pool. Still, critics say the money might be better spent on conservation. There's also the risk of unintended consequences. Introducing a genetically modified animal into an ecosystem could trigger unpredictable effects. So, can we bring back the woolly mammoth? Some scientists say we could see mammoth-elephant hybrids within the next decade. But the bigger question isn't just, can we? It's, should we? The extinction is a stunning showcase of what modern biotech can do. It blends genetics, ethics, ecology, and imagination. And while we might not have Jurassic Park just yet, the age of biological resurrection has already begun. If you're fascinated by the future of life sciences, hit subscribe. Here at the Biotech Studio, we break down science that sounds impossible, until it's not. Thanks for watching. See you in the next breakthrough.